Mavics right now, bitch. You look clash-tastic. Nice.
All right, guys. So today we're out on the Salt Flats. Look at Elysium. Woo, Elysium Perone. We don't know what M means.
Masterful.
Oh, Elysia Masterful Perone, or
Master Blaster.
Master Blaster Perone. What is she doing? She's like pulling her pants down.
Oh, do something cool, bitch.
Isn't that weird? Okay. So we got here, started getting set up, got the drone going, and it had a firmware update. So now we're just sitting in the car for probably 15 minutes waiting for the firmware to update. How fun is that?
Yo, boogeyman.
Yeah, boogeyman.
That's what I am.
That's what I am.
I'm here to do.
I'm here to do
whatever I can. Be it early morning.
Early morning.
Late afternoon.
Late afternoon.
Or at midnight.
At midnight.
Too soon.
It's very soon.
What you doing?
I gotta calibrate I gotta do the DJI dance. Ready for this? Watch this.
Do a little dance. Do it, bitch. Dance. Dance, monkey, dance.
DJI dance.
Get your hips into it. I can't see you, bitch. Wait.
I'm calibrating the compass.
Oh. Why are you doing that?
Alright, so let's get this little puppy up in the air.
Oh, wait.
Test flight.
Look at this baby. Oh, look at him. Look at the baby. He looks like a little lobster. Looks like a little tiny lobster head. Where's he going? How's he doing in the wind? Well, he's not even moving. He's not even moving.
Now I gotta get the follow me going, which I haven't done in a while, so I gotta remember how to do it.
He's up there waiting for you. He's like, figure this out, man. I can't tread sky for this long. He's like, you're leaving me hanging. I'm hanging without a safety net. Got no safety net, bitch.
There you go.
Get you a safety net for free.
Intelligent flight.
I'll get you a
safety net. I do it
net.
now. I agree.
Intelligent
now
flight.
I go to active tracker.
Yeah, he's following you. Here he comes. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on, dog face.
No hands.
No hands. You got one hand on it. Oh, it's running after you. It's gonna kill you. It's gonna shoot you. It's gonna shoot you, bitch. It's gonna stick a spoon in you.
Look how good it's doing in the wind.
Yeah, it's doing great. Can I turn this off? It's getting
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. Oh, big, get out the way. Oh, big, get out the way. Oh, big, get out the way. Oh, big, get out the way.
I'm okay.
Okay, so we just got done with the shoot. That's why our hairs are all fried. And that Elysia eating crap that you see in the video, look what it did to her eye.
I don't feel so good. All in the name of art. This is what happened to my face. Basically, I had the mask on. It's like
a doll face crack.
So creepy. I had this on, right? And then, bam! Face plant. Bam!
Yeah, just face.
This is basically what happened to my face.
Yep, face plant. Face plant!
All in the name of art.
Face plant!
I'm okay.